I'm gonna tell you 3 different tools that all YouTubers should be using, and we're starting right now.
That's just how it is.
What is going on? My name is Nick from TuberTools.com. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your channel, make videos, and all types of other YouTube related stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Okay, so there is a ton of different tools out there that can help you with your YouTube channel. Some of them suck and some of them are pretty awesome. So I'm going to tell you the ones that are awesome, which are the ones that you should be using. The very first one on this list is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is the #1 browser plugin for YouTube content creators. Here's why. TubeBuddy has a thumbnail comparison tool where you can test thumbnails against each other to see which ones people click on the most. That just by itself can be a game changer. The next awesome thing about TubeBuddy is they have something called a keyword explorer. And what the keyword explorer does is it helps you identify specific keywords or topics that you can make videos about that you have a higher chance for ranking or getting attention for. So an easy way to think of it is when you're coming up with video ideas, wouldn't it be great to have a tool where you can just type in that idea and then it'll give you an actual score to let you know like, hey, this is a pretty good video for you to make, or hey, this is one that you should probably stay away from for now. That is what the Keyword Explorer does. And in addition to that, it also gives you suggestions on other ways that people might be looking for that same subject. So if you don't have a chance for ranking for this one over here, or getting attention from this one over here, you might want to try this other way that people might be looking for that same exact thing. TubeBuddy also does a bunch of other amazing things, but the best way to find out exactly what it does is to try it out for yourself, which you can do free through the link down in the description below. Next on the list is Morningfame. Morningfame has 2 really awesome features that I absolutely love. The first is their channel analytics tool. Basically what it does is it takes all of your stats and it condenses them down to easy to understand things. So you don't have to go in there and look at all the numbers and try to figure out what's working and what's not working. They make it super easy by just giving you a display saying, hey, these videos were fantastic, these videos sucked, these videos got more engagement, these videos got more views. You should make more of these types of videos, not more of these types of videos, and it really just gives you some guidance on making the right choices when it comes to your YouTube content. The next thing that's really cool about Morningfame is their keyword research tool, and this is really cool if you are just getting started. With Morningfame's keyword research tool, they basically take you through the process of optimizing your videos for specific terms, and what that means is there's certain ways that you write your titles and you write your descriptions and certain things that you include in your descriptions that help give YouTube context to what your video is about. So Morningfame gives you a grade to let you know, hey, this is how good you're doing at giving YouTube context to what your video is about. And the cool thing about it is you can actually see in real time while you're making changes because you're actually doing this in their system first before you transfer it to YouTube. So you can see in real time how those changes are affecting your score, which is really cool, like I was saying before, when you're just getting started, because it basically trains you how to basically properly do your metadata for YouTube. It's really cool. You should try it out. I've got a link to that in the description as well. The next one on the list is TubeSpanner. And I know what you're thinking. TubeSpanner, you say? Huh. You know what, Nick? I've never heard of TubeSpanner before. Well, today is your lucky day because now you have. Here's what TubeSpanner can do for you. So a lot of people have trouble with the workflow side of being a content creator, coming up with topic ideas, writing the scripts, putting it all together in a way that makes sense. TubeSpanner helps you with all of that. It is the ultimate workflow tool for content creators. And in addition to what I just mentioned, it also does a bunch of other stuff, but here's the thing. As of the recording of this video right now, TubeSpanner is actually in beta and they are letting people join for free. And that free is not gonna last forever, so I recommend that you go in and you give TubeSpanner a shot now. I'll also put a link to that down in the description so you can see how awesome of a tool it is. I'm gonna be talking about TubeSpanner a lot in the future because there's a lot of really cool stuff that she's doing with it, but I'm gonna have a link to that in the description below so you can try it out for free right now. If you're watching this video later when the beta has already passed and it's not free anymore, then you should still check out TubeSpanner. In fact, I put an entire list together of amazing tools and resources that are made for content creators. I'll put a link to that down in the description below. And to learn more about growing your channel, making videos, and all types of other YouTube related stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.